And welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 9. Which factor of production has the following characteristics? So you have the characteristics, three characteristics. 1. Free gift of nature. 2. Limited in supply. 3. Immobile. Now option A, land. B, labor. C, capital. D, entrepreneur. So you have factors of production given to you as the options, and you have to pick out the one which has these characteristics: free gift of nature, limited in supply, and immobile. Now option A is land, and land is defined as a free gift of nature, which is the soil on which agricultural activities take place. Now, an important characteristic of land to note is that it is limited in terms of supply. Okay, that means it is fixed and it cannot be replaced once it is exhausted. Now, option B is labor, and labor refers to man's mental and physical exertions generated in production, in the process of production. Option C says capital, and capital refers to the physical assets accumulated by the farmer to facilitate production. And lastly, option D says entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is the person charged with the responsibility, so the person that directs the affairs of the farm, both administratively and technically. So let's look at which one has the characteristics. Now, I've already said land, based on its definition, it is a free gift of nature, so it ticks the first one, the first characteristic, while the other ones are not necessarily free gifts of nature. They are either employed or generated. Now option 2, the second characteristic, said limited in supply. Now among these among the four factors of production, land is the only one that you can say is limited in supply, because once you have used land, you can't regenerate the land back. But for the other factors of production, labor, you can always hire another labor, you can always generate more capital, and you can always get an entrepreneur to manage the production process. So only land is limited in supply, so it also ticks that box. And option 3, of course, says immobile. Of course, you cannot move land from where it is situated or from where it's located. As we said here, it is fixed, so it ticks that box. And for the remaining factors of production, you can always transport labor, you can also move capital, and you can transport the entrepreneur. So from all we have seen, we see that option A, which is land, is the factor of production that exhibits the following characteristics. So it is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.